I was just sent this 7-foot ladder. This is a nice little toy that you can put in an indoor playroom or outside or anything, and then let kids kind of play on it. This is really cool because it is colored. It's got a nice strong nylon rope and then little plastic rungs on here to be able to climb on. And you can actually adjust these ropes so you can make the ladder shorter or longer as far as how far away these are. And then you've got your bottom pieces here. And the top, thank you. The top has 2 rings along with 2 carabiners to be able to easily hook these up. So I've actually got some little eye hooks in the ceiling that I've got in my kids' playroom that we're just going to put these in, and then my kid can crawl up this ladder. So looking up close, here are the carabiners. They've got this nice turn lock style on here, and then it has this hook that also comes with it. So that is really nice because we've had a lot of carabiners that go right on the rope, and then that rope breaks. So having that extra ring right there is a really cool feature. And then you can see the rope up close, the braided rope. And each one of these have a little texture on the actual rungs here. So that will help with any sort of slippage as well. So let's get these hung up. Okay, could you climb up?
Sure.
So this is really great for building up strength and agility and balance. I mean, this could be used to put up in a tree house to be able to climb up a tree. You've got the little ropes at the bottom, so you could anchor it down if you didn't want it free swinging like this. But putting it on Ninja Warrior courses, just hanging it up in playrooms, all sorts of different really uses for this. And it can hold up to 265 pounds. So that's a lot of nice weight on here. I love the colors, and it makes it fun for any sort of kid.